The layout of the plan is shown in the figure. Manually place the material tray onto the loading turntable. The robotic arm automatically loads the material. CCD on the conveyor line collects information from the material tray and distributes it to the warehouse. The conveyor belt sends the material tray to the corresponding intelligent warehouse for storage. The intelligent warehouse robotic arm stores the material tray into the storage location allocated by the system. The warehousing system has received an outbound task. The intelligent warehouse robotic arm retrieves the material tray from the warehouse. CCD collects tray information on the conveyor line and assigns outbound workstations. The belt conveyor line delivers materials to the automatic labeling workstation. Labeling workstation automatically applies position labels. Mechanical arm automatic feeding and stringing rod. Roller AGV transport the string rod to the first set of material transfer platform. Manually complete the first set of materials and send them to the production line. Roller AGV transports the string rod to the edge warehouse of the line. AGV sends full material skewers into the line-side warehouse, while sending empty skewers back to the outbound area. Automated feeding by robotic arm. The robotic arm inside the warehouse stores the material tray into the designated storage area. The material tray at the edge of the line is released from the warehouse to the production line. Manually remove the material tray. Manually take out the work order materials from the electronic material rack area and place them in the mobile material truck. The latent AGV receives the task and transports the mobile material truck to the production line. Manually place the return materials into the skewer and call the AGV. The roller AGV transports the return material string rod to the material labeling machine. Automated feeding by robotic arm. The counting and labeling machine automatically counts the trays. Robot arm automatic labeling. The materials that have been marked and labeled are sent to the intelligent warehouse through the conveyor belt.